What's up, everybody? This is a video introduction to the application Flipboard. You're looking at the iPad 2 right now. I'm going to click on my social folder here. I'm going to click on Flipboard, and immediately you'll see that we have our logo here on the top left, and we have a big image. It's slowly zooming out of that image on its own, and it scans and fades over to another image. The images that you're looking at are on the bottom of the screen, and if you find one to be very interesting just by looking at it, you can actually click on that image and it'll go right to it. These images are being retrieved from the internet. Some of them are coming from Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and some of them are just coming from different news sources or websites in regards to technology. They pick them from websites that you have favorited, that you want to interact with through the app Flipboard. Now, on the bottom you'll see that there's a title for each image, and it'll tell you who's sharing it. On the top left you'll see what website it's coming from. With each image you can use these different options to interact with the image, and let's get started and use Flipboard. You'll click on Flip, and you flip it like a page in a book. Here are the different favorited websites. All of these here that you see on the screen have actually been suggested and are already standard in the Flipboard app, with the exception of this one right here, which is called dearblankpleaseblank.com, one of my favorite websites. Now, what's cool about Flipboard is that you have all your favorite websites here, and if you want to refresh them and get the most up-to-date status or tweet, fit picture from Instagram, or news article for this news or this technology, you can just click on the bottom left arrow here. It's a reload arrow. If you look on the bottom right screen of each square, you're going to see the refresh logo pop up, and it gives you the most up-to-date. On the bottom right corner here, you'll have a settings button. You click on it, this window pops up. This is where you're actually log in your login name and your password for different websites that you have accounts with, and you only have to do that once. Once you've done it, you don't have to do it again, and it already knows that it's your account. We're gonna click on Facebook here, and this is what Facebook looks like. It looks absolutely nothing like what you have on your app on your phone or on your personal computer. It reads much more like a news magazine or a picture book. I'll start scanning through Facebook and you'll see what I mean. Very, very nice. All these pictures. On the right column you'll see these are different Facebook status updates. If I click on one, it goes right to it and it reads like this. And I can actually click one by one each person's status update, and it'll just go back in time. Now, if you see that here someone clicked or added a link to their status update, it takes me to an introduction of the article, and at the bottom it actually loads the website itself. If I want to read the whole article, I just kind of push up on it, and there it is. I can read the full article. If I want to go back, I can do this. On the top right corner, I can click on the arrow, and there it goes back to how it normally was laid out. If I click on it again, I can also get out of this by just pinching it. Alright, and I can keep scanning through. Now at the top you'll see it says Facebook. There's a down arrow key there. You click on it, you can look at your news feed, your wall, photos of yourself, or your different folders. You can also interact by commenting on each image or news article. If you want to comment on an article, and let's say you click on the article here, it'll be on your bottom right corner. You can like it, or again, you can use these options to interact with it. So this is basically how Flipboard lays out your websites in like a news magazine style. Now, if you want to add more websites, you can do that by clicking on this box that says more, or this red ribbon that says more. They both do the same thing. Here are the different news sources and websites that Flipboard has suggested that you might want to add. You can look them up by category, or you can type it into the search bar. So, in a nutshell, this is Flipboard. Hope you enjoyed the video. One last thing, if you want to get rid of a website, you just hold it down like iPhone apps, and you can click on the X to get rid of it, or if you want to leave it, just click on the top white part right there. We'll go back to the beginning, and here's the home page. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.